Waza, welcome back to yet another reaction. My name is Titi. I am from Botswana, which is why I'm so excited to be reacting to this song because it's from Botswana. And I want to say this, like many artists in Botswana don't make videos because I feel like there's a lot of expectation when it comes to videos. Like you can't just like make any kind of videos and put it out there for the people to like what, like, you know. So I think a lot of artists want to make that as an investment so that when they put a video out there, it's like top quality. So we didn't get a lot of videos coming out of Botswana, and every time we do get like a top quality video, it's something that you appreciate. And big up to the videographer Jack Botloko. So I just saw this video intro, I was like, okay, I gotta react to this one. It's Culture Spears, the international artist, the international group Culture Spears from Botswana, and I know you guys all over the world love this guy. So yeah, I'm gonna try and translate as much as I possibly can. Sometimes I think I can translate, but then they're speaking a deep Tswana that I don't even know what you say some words in English. Anyway, if you're here for the first time, smash the subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so don't miss any of the uploads on this channel, then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm, I think. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the song, where you're watching from, and yeah, if you're from Botswana, Dumela, welcome. Let's get to the song. Oh, this looks like Botswana for real. Oh, did I tell you guys it's like traditional music for those of you who don't know Culture Spears? Yes. Thank me, because I'm about to introduce you guys to Botswana culture. Botswana culture. Botswana culture. Botswana culture. What am I talking about? But yeah, you know, thank me.
Kinekile majako kotodi antiela mezi angfana amunati kota selala le molelo yasika yatima mokodiwe mokodiwe
Yo, like I said, guys, Jack Motloko's doing his thing, and I like that they chose a really different scenery. Like I don't even know where this is. It's beautiful, and you know, Botswana gets even beautiful when it's green and lush like this, because it's most of I think the winter starts early or something. Like it always kind of dry for some reason, and to see greenery, it's beautiful. It transformed the whole country into some beautiful space. I was actually going to translate what this song is saying for you guys, but I don't think many of you are old enough. But I'm going to tell you what he is saying, and think about that for a minute. He's saying, I gave her 2 cups and she really loved it. So that's what he said, literally, but that's not what he means. What does he mean? I don't even know.
Mookodi we, Mookodi we, Mookodi we, Mookodi we, Mookodi banyana, Mookodi banyana, Mookodi banyana, Mookodi banyana. Kalemoga gore mo ga se boetelo ke bonno, ke bua ka pelo ke itumetse, ka bala malatsi, ka bala dikgwedi, ngwaga wa wela ke lebetse ko gae. Mookodi we, Mookodi we, Mookodi we, Mookodi we. Mookodi banyana, Mookodi banyana, Mookodi banyana, Mookodi banyana, Mookodi we, Mookodi we. C'est pas si catolela, c'est pas si catolela, qui m'a roulé, qui m'a roulé. Hadirakana, Kitsaya Taulo, Hadirakana, Raitumela, Ota Utwa, Odi Wompa, Ota Utwa, Omudi Sholoma.
Yo, big up to Jack Botloko, the videographer. He's doing great as usual. You know what I mean? Round of applause to Jack Botloko. That's a beautiful video. Like I think he's one of those artists already that he's like just making videos, and he's just been growing with his craft as well. Like the experience that he has now, it's crazy. Yeah, that's a beautiful big song, Culture Spears from Botswana. One of my favorite groups, and I know that people around the world enjoy their music as well. So thank you so much for watching this. Like I said earlier, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. If you want to see that beautiful video, check out Culture Spears YouTube page. Watch most of their videos there as well, because you know these guys have been doing it for a very long time and they know how to sell the country of Botswana. Like I said, I noticed in that video they incorporated many like tribal dances in that song. It's so subtle you can't even see it, but if you're paying attention you can tell, like, oh, that dance move is from that tribe and then that tribe and that tribe. That's how big they are. They can just do that, you know what I mean? So yeah, big up to Culture Spears. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys on the other side.